Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tushar and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of stock trading using technical analysis. Now, you might be wondering what is the purpose of this channel? Well, our mission is to help you understand the stock market and ins and outs of the technical analysis. Ultimately, the goal is to empower you to make profitable trades. Before we dive in, I just want to throw out a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and the content on this channel is for educational and entertainment purpose only. While I am sharing my views and study here, I would prefer or strongly recommend each one of you to consult to your professional advisor and then only make an informed decision regarding your investments. Remember, trading stock carries a risk, and it's important to manage your risk and make informed decisions. So, with that out of the way, let's dive into the exciting world of stock trading and technical analysis. If you're ready to learn, grow, and join a community of like minded traders, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to never miss an episode. Okay, let's get started. Thank you.